What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. So today is the day we finally reached about 10,000 miles on the Cybertruck, and as all you guys know, it is recommended that you do the tire rotation at 6,000 miles. I went a little over, but then again, it's a truck, so I think it can handle 10,000 miles. So today what we're gonna do is do the tire rotation on the Cybertruck, but not only are we gonna do that, we're gonna take a look at a accessory that, I mean, if you have the tires off, you might have well just install them, right? So I think you can take a guess at what it is. Let me know down in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so while we have the wheels off, we might as well add a accessory from Hansshows. Hansshows went ahead and sent these out. Now these are the caliper covers, and let's go ahead and take a look at them. If you need the instructions, here are the instructions, but they are nice and covered, nicely packaged, aluminum alloy caliper cover, and they are in red. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install these while we have the wheels off and give it a little bit of a better look, because we don't rock with the wheel covers. So we're going to go ahead and give you a better look at the calipers here in red. I think they might have sent some stickers, so we can go ahead and add some stickers here, but let me check real quick. And they do send different stickers here. They got some black ones and some silver/white ones for both the rear and the front calipers, and as well as these little diamond shapes here as well. So everything is provided from Hansshows, which is absolutely best. Now let's go ahead and install these. All right, so we went ahead and put the stickers on. That's the front caliper, the rear caliper, and the little sticker obviously is for the rear caliper, and the big one is for the front. Look at these, they absolutely look amazing. Now let's go ahead and install them. Okay, to install this is very simple. You have 3 brackets. One bracket goes here on top, like so, like that. And then these, you have to hold them, but they go right here like so, with this portion sticking out. So as you can see, they don't stay in there, so you got to hold them in place. And then you grab the caliper and you kind of like so. Then you get these screws, kind of loosely put them in here, just so those little brackets don't move. Then you get the short one, put this back here to hold it in place. here set. So kind of give it a nice tug, make sure they're nice and secured. And that is it. Okay, to install this rear one is a little easier than the front one. There we go. They go in like this. So this portion out, like so, like this. So if it's loose, it's fine. You just gotta hold this a little bit. And then basically you just line up the holes, put the screws, and tighten it up. Probably want to start with the bottom one since it tends to move. You're pretty much good to go, just tying it up. This is all done, very simple. It was very good. Look at that bad boy. Looks amazing. Nice and secure. It's not going nowhere. Let's take a quick look at the front one again. Also very nice and secure. Looking nice. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that bad boy. It ain't going. Look at that bad boy. Ain't going nowhere. Now that we're done rotating the wheels, and now to finish the actual rotation of the wheels and the installation of the caliper covers, we're going to go ahead and finish it off with this Etolab hand tool series 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. Now I think you have to make sure that they are at about 150 pounds. So this is what you're going to get. So what we're going to do is, very nice tool by the way, we're going to make sure that we are at 150 pounds. So we are at 150. And this is how they look on the Cybertruck with the wheels. These are the core wheels. Obviously, if you have the other ones, it's gonna look a little different, but in my opinion, kind of like these core wheels better. Look at that bad boy. I think it just sets off the truck, gives it a more appealing look, especially with the red tow hooks right there and the red calipers. This thing is a beast. So there you have it, Gadgeteers. That is the rotation of the Cybertruck. It is recommended every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. I went a little over. I went 10,000 miles, but nevertheless, you have to rotate them if you want to prolong the longevity of your tires on any EV. So I strongly recommend you follow the manufacturing threshold with it, which for the Cybertruck I think is 6,000 miles. And that is the installation of the Hansshows caliper covers. I think it sets off the truck. So if you're going to rotate them, I think it's a good time to go ahead and pick these covers up. So when you do the tire rotation, you can go ahead and install them at the same time, just like I did. Super, super easy. It's not hard at all. If you've never done anything yourself, you can probably start with this and gain some confidence in doing your own stuff on your Cybertruck, because this is probably one of the easiest installations, and the tire rotations as well. I don't know if you want to go ahead and start doing your own tire rotations, but I strongly recommend you do, so you, in case you get a flat somewhere down the road or something, you know what to do, you know how to change your tires. So if you have any questions regarding the Hansshows caliper covers, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!